Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage is signed out in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that in iMessage you see an error that your iMessage is signed out. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back from here, open the settings app here. Very first go for apps, then go for iMessage here or look for messages app. Select that and here just scroll down and you will get the iMessage. You just have to disable this toggle and then in front of the iMessage option you must have to disable that, and once you have disabled, enable it again, so it will make a quick refresh with the whole iMessage server setting or system. And after that you just have to tap on the send and receive option, and you have to make sure that you have set it your address. It might be your mail address, your phone number, your Gmail, your Apple ID, or it might be anything else. Once you have added here, you have to go back and retry to disable and enable it again. After that, you just have to go back and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you just have to try to make a forced restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So just quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you have to unlock your phone and just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to open your settings here, go for general, go for date and time section, and you have to disable this set automatically and then select your time zone in which you're living. Once you have selected your own time zone here, enable this set automatically toggle again. After that, go back from here, go for software update section, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. If you find trying to update your app, after updating, go back from here and you have to check that you're connected to a strongest and a stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to reset your network settings. Go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode here, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. After that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If it's still not fixed, so you have to go back from here and tap on your Apple ID here, scroll down and look for sign out option, and you have to try to sign out with your Apple ID. After signing out, you have to re-sign in. So after re-sign in, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed, so you have to check your iMessage server status, that if it's might be a server issue. So open your browser here and you have to simply search for Apple system status. Search for this, open the first website from here, and here just tap on this plus icon here, and now just scroll down and look for iMessage, and you have to check if it's available or not. If you find here that green available is, so it means that there is no any server issue. If you find here red or disavailable, not available or something like that, so it might be the server issue, so you are unable to use your iMessage. So here you can see I have this iMessage available system, but I'm still facing the same issue. So there's the only way. You just have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use Apple Support web. And here just select your iPhone from here. Select this more option, then scroll down and look for messages option here. Once you find messages, select that and then wait for this loading. Then scroll down and look for this get more help option. Select call us. After that, you will find the phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple's support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get actual help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.